What is up, guys? We're back at Inanda. Another day. Great weather. Great news, we're getting our shirts today. Unfortunately, we weren't able to wear them because they're only coming this afternoon. So we're going to go try one of the spots we found last week, but try it first this morning and see if we can catch anything there this morning.
Go there, please. I'll need to try to get it
Okay.
to see if I can bring it through there.
You come stand next to me from this up.
Oh! Oh! Like I told you, I fucking told you need to come here. Oh.
Look, that thing keeps going under.
Yeah.
I don't check anyone here.
You think they swim out and put it down?
Yeah.
They should, eh? Well, they have to. No, you can check out it's moving.
Start the big motor. I don't know. Yes, it's something big.
Watch your rod.
Okay, full send, boss. Shouldn't actually be throwing it in the bin, but we can't keep it on our boat. Things. Okay, we can't go back there right now. How must I get back on? Hey, there's a little bass here. How's it? Good. Just turn the nose this way. Oh wait, come, I'll stop you. Oh wait. Power. Yeah, I know. My lunker log's gone. First fish of the morning. Bloody miniature.
Top water fluke coming.
Nice. What did I say on these flipping grass banks? Second fish within 15 minutes.
Not even. Or on.
You on?
Yeah.
Nice. Smaller fish, but fish is a fish.
Yep. Oh, got me in the arm, bastard.
With the water.
Yeah.
Come on, straight away. No.
I would laugh.
I was like, why is it so heavy? Gotta love smell of bass in the morning.
In the morning.
Where did it land?
There.
Hectic. I could see the line, and my grand doesn't want to end the call. And I was like, oh shit.
What's that on the cracking trawler?
Yeah, the blue one.
Blue.
Baby blue. Second fish of the, third fish of the morning. Wow, you like knew it.
Hey?
I threw left of you and I caught the fish.
Always happens. Even happened at Albert's.
Yeah, true. Some nice trees here. I want to see if you can get in. Get under these trees here.
Alright.
You must try and get in the back there. Jesus, they nearly pulled the rod out of my hand.
So, the other one?
Here's a tree you can get under. Bang it. Oh yes, much nicer one. Ow, hook. Fourth fish, fifth fish, don't even know anymore. Better one, much better one. There goes an appendage.
Label.
Bang it in over there. You can get it in there.
Jeez. That's going to take some skill.
Oh, yo, there's little bait fish here.
Mm.
Or little bass, more like. Bang it in there.
Fuck.
You get it in there, you catch a 4 kilo.
In there.
Mm-mm. Easy. Oh yes. On, Dad.
Yes.
Better one. What's the rods, bro? What's your tip? Jeez, bro, just dropped it next to us here.
Shot. Shot bra.
Oh wait.
Ah, okay.
Thank goodness you got him in the boat. Yeah, okay, what's wrong?
I'm waiting for him to calm down.
Just bring a little girl, like a little pan.
Ah, please can you take it for me?
Just a fish, bro. Ain't gonna do nothing.
Top lip bra. Shot booty.
Let's check. Bleeding.
Yeah. Thank you. Keep these rattles. You check what they look like, huh?
It's a glass. I've got those things. That keep those.
Yeah, I am.
Oh. Smaller one, but I'm on. Ow!
Oh, shit!
Oh, on the hook. Cheers, mate.
Goodbye.
Ow.
What happened? You got hooked? Sorry, uncle.
And I got water on my lens. Nothing.
Fucking bullshit. Live on, huh?
Skipped it. Not under. Shark spray.
Okay.
On. Bigger fish.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You locked the drag. Are you in the trees yet?
Yeah.
Okay, hold your rod, come this side.
Yeah, he's coming.
Okay, not too much. Oh,
Yeah.
Woo! Yes, please.
Let's get the scale.
It's easily a 1.5.
He's got him fucking.
Let go. 1.7.
Hey?
1.17. Oh, let's try again. We'll try again. I didn't get it in there properly.
Where do you put it?
In between the gills, the bottom one.
Yeah, bro, I can't check up.
Okay, hold you.
We just had a bloody lip grip. It'll be fine.
Just tear it. One kg.
Yes.
1.1.
A kilo.
photo.
Thanks for coming, Uncle.
1.075. Yes, I was off on a 1.4.
Thanks, Uncle. I'll catch you again.
Oh yes, dog. Wait. That's a lot. Ooh. Sorry to interrupt, guys. I know you're watching the video intensely. I know I've got a fish, but I have to say something first, and that is I have pulled off the most rookie move ever. So this fish took me, I put a wacky on with a little shaker in it, a little bead in it, and this fish hit me so hard, but the cast before I had locked my drag because I got stuck in a reed and I had pulled it out, and without thinking I didn't set my drag back down, and as a result you are going to see what happens. Please do not hate. It is a rookie move. The best of us do it. Enjoy. Oh, there goes the rod. I'm hooked on something.
No, you're not.
I think he came off.
No way.
Yeah.
No way. Just keep it tight, bro. Just in case.
He came off. No, he's on.
I fucking thought as much.
Oh. You ready?
Yeah.
Woo, baby.
That's a nice one.
1.4.
1.4. Banging.
Woo. And that's on camera, yes, man. Thanks for coming, beaut. Cheers, baby girl.
And off.
For the people wanting to know how I caught that fish, or what I caught it on, McCarthy's watermelon red. Jesus, sorry, I'm still on 5 here. Let me just fix it. Watermelon red Senko, and all I did was took a shaker out of a rattling, what's that, rattling chunk, or what's it, a chunk, and I shove it into the top, the thick side of the Senko, and yeah, that fish just absolutely annihilated it. 1.4, biggest fish of the day, and Sheldon caught a very nice one this morning as well, as you guys have already seen.